Hey friends, if you wish to restart Windows File Explorer easily in your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now you'll have to watch this video carefully because this has two aspects. So the first one is when the Windows Explorer process itself is open, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Okay, Task Manager. Open the Task Manager window, let the process load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select restart. Okay, but it is not necessary for the Task Explorer process to be open. The reason that we restart the Windows Explorer process is when we face issues with the taskbar or the system tray or the start menu. And in this case, it is not about the File Explorer being open. All of these elements are subsets of the File Explorer. So if the File Explorer is not open, then how would we reset it? Because the File Explorer also has a background process. Now scroll down to the absolute bottom of this list, you'll find the Windows Explorer process here. Right click on this process and then select restart, and I'll tell you what will happen when you select restart. When you select restart, your screen will flicker for a few seconds, maybe up to 30 or 40 seconds. Okay, so that is normal. After that, it will be back to the basic. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.